Dwayne Vaz, a sitting member of parliament, former, I would have said it in the newscast, former deputy spokesperson for Land and Works. He's no longer the deputy spokesperson, and now he is going to run internally for chairman of Region 6. Why is that necessary? No. When you have things to do in your constituency, you are look for run for Region 6. The same as the people and we are run for look for Nano House, Damian Dwayne Vaz. Then no live nowhere, Dwayne Vaz. In your constituency, them no live nowhere. Andre say now come back in your constituency because of what happened to him in your constituency. But no, you are saying that you're going to run for Region 6 chair. Politics cannot be the only thing that we think about. The people matter too. The people matter as well. And it hurts. You know why? Several MPs reportedly back Colin Hitchman for Region 6 chairmanship as leadership contest intensifies. This is unfortunate because you see this guy named Colin Hitchman, he succeeded Dwayne Vaz when Dwayne Vaz lost 10 of 10 in the local election, as well as his seat. He succeeded him. And out of the 10, he won for the local government election as chairman. He won 6 of 10. We're just talking facts now. He won 6 of 10. And BOJ is saying that Dwayne Vaz is going to run for Region 6 chair. So there is a school of argument to say Dwayne Vaz has an ulterior motive. Look what upset. Look what is very upsetting now. Let me play it for you. Let me play what is very upsetting now. Let me play what is very upsetting. Listen to this, deep divers.
If it's news, it's
Nationwide News understands that the resignation of Dwayne Vaz as deputy spokesman on Roads and Works is the early move in what's expected to be a long race to elect the next leader of the 88-year-old People's National Party, PNP. It is widely expected that Mark Golding will face a challenge for the post of president when the PNP puts the leadership issue to a vote at its annual conference in September 2027. The main challenge to Golding is expected to come from MP for Northwest St. Catherine, Damian Crawford. More in this report from George Davis.
The PNP's lost to Holness's JLP in the general election held on September 3, 2025, had a discombobulating effect on many in the Mark Golding-led party. And over 10 months since the defeat, equilibrium continues to elude those who were certain Mark G would lead the orange takeover of Jamaica House. Our sources tell us that since Holness completed his triple last September, there has been a growing sentiment inside the PNP that Mark Golding missed his chance to lead the country and must make way for a new comrade leader. And it's on the back of that discontent that Damian Crawford has been quietly building a coalition that his supporters hope will design and execute a successful tilt at the PNP presidency come September next year. Our sources say Crawford, who in recent years has been cast by the PNP as the hype man-in-chief wherever a comrade needs a boost at a political meeting during election season, is ready to shed that image and relinquish that role. Crawford, we are told, can count on the support of at least 12 of the 28 MPs on the opposition benches. We've been told that his growing support has spooked the Golding camp. And that's what we've been told contributed to the decision by Central Westmoreland MP Dwayne Vaz to remove himself from the slate of deputy opposition spokespersons. Vaz is a key ally of Damian Crawford. The PNP issued a terse statement last week saying Dwayne Vaz relinquished his duties as deputy spokesman on roads and works to focus on constituency responsibilities. But it's understood that Vaz expected to be promoted to the job of spokesman on roads and works following the resignation of Richard Azan. Azan had come under fire inside the PNP for failing to highlight what the PNP views as the shortcomings of Portfolio Minister Robert Morgan. Vaz is understood to have been told by Golding that he would not be promoted and that his time was best spent focusing on his constituency. That, we understand, was what prompted Dwayne Vaz to walk away. Vaz's allies say the second-term MP was victimized. They say Mark Golding would never promote him to the full spokesman role, as doing so would give a Crawford ally a national platform to speak on issues. On the weekend, there was a flurry of activity on PNP platforms across social media, with the looming Crawford-Golding battle and the attendant collateral damage being the main topic of discussion. That activity was fed by a story carried by BOJ TV that Vaz would be challenging a Golding ally, Colin Hitchman, for the leadership of the PNP's Region 6. That declaration has prompted a flurry of criticism of Dwayne Vaz by some comrades who are upset at what they say is his attempt to destabilize a region that has regained its luster as a bastion of PNP support under the guidance of Hitchman. George Davis for Nationwide News.
What is there left to say? You know what is there left to say? This is nothing more than a targeted approach of a distraction. This is nothing more than a distraction. Let me tell you why I see it as a distraction. It is a distraction, deep divers, because it's every 2 years you challenge for the leadership. Every 2 years is year one. Why is year one? Because in the political year, they re-elected Mark Golding as party president. Now, many may say they're moving from early. Fine. Let me tell you why this is a distraction. If this weren't a distraction, why would you have nationwide carry this the news? Nationwide is widely regarded as an ally of the government. So if you really think about it, it has to be a distraction. Thank you, Veronica. There is no vacancy at the national conference in September. I don't know, but there is no vacancy. It's not an election year internally. It's not an election year. So here are some facts. Mark Golding took over the party following a dismal loss in 2020. Mark Golding took the party following a dismal loss in 2020. All of this is publicly known. Immediately following the loss, what is wrong with this thing? What is wrong with this thing? Sure. Forgive me, guys. May I try fix this TikTok thing? But it now unable, just as unable to verify. Come on. Me lucky off, you know. Oh, thank you. Mark Golding decided that he's going to try to fix the party. He faced his first election by way of the local government level. When the local government election came about, come the man, we're thinking critically now. When the local government election came about, may I show you that this is nothing but a distraction. Up to now, nobody can say who win the local government election. Up to today, nobody can say who won the local government election. I dare anyone to challenge me. Nobody can say who legitimately won the local government election. PNP, the People's National Party, say it is a tie. Electoral office say, by way of a technicality, it is a technical tie. The government say them win. Then the opposition say them never win. Nobody can say they won local government election. Even though it was clear. Fine. After the local government election, last year was the national election. The People's National Party went to the national election with 14 seats. 14. When they went into the national election with 14 seats, they went up against a Goliath of a number, a mammoth number of 49 seats. It was 29-34 originally. After the recount, it became 28-35. Tell me a lie, tell me, am I lying, deep divers? Here are some more facts. Who was the president that gave Dwayne Vaz a chance to run again in Central Westmoreland? A facts alone we are talking now. Who was the president when Damian Crawford got an opportunity to run again in St. Catherine? Facts alone we are talking. Who was the president that had a whole heap of what they call new breed of MPs, including my friend Isat? Who was the party president? Who was the party president? And now we are hearing of a challenge when there is no outright vacancy. A distraction. Nothing more than a distraction. We should be able to not feed in to sensationalism. We must be able to not feed into sensationalism. And what is so disappointing is the things that George Davis is saying. The things he's saying. As if somebody in the party is talking to him. Like somebody literally call phone and say, all right, at this a go on. Ray, X move. The king move, yaso. The rook come back, yaso. The queen gone in a position. The knight gone over there, so. I'm speaking in chess language. It is disheartening. Thank you for calling. Good evening. Big up, Carpenter. Wagwan.
Yeah, well, yeah, brother. As me, I listen to you, brother, with do go on. When if I go on away, we look at weird. You observe it. I don't know if you notice it.
Yes.
Observe in time, the Prime Minister side, there's something that's wrong. There's always something that's come up. It's like you take our pressure off of him. That's somebody that talk about you observe it. Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man, may I hear you, man. But I don't even know.
So I say, to me, I want to input on my understanding. There's something wrong with Jamaica, brother. Something wrong somewhere down the way. Something wrong. I don't know about it, but you know what father gonna do. You know what father gonna do for what? To me, something wrong somewhere.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna tell the reason why I'm saying something wrong for me. All right. You observe when time PNP in a power. When PNP do something that's wrong. Then some people jump out a minute from PNP when some PNP does something wrong.
I agree with you.
You remember one time I remember the gas riot?
I remember that. I remember that as a child. Yes.
And you observe so many different things. Someone come and put 20% PNP.
Yes.
Before a finance minister angry. He do it short. He do it, he could have couple months after angry. I observe nobody have to say nothing about it. You observe it?
Yeah, man.
So many different things that you see the government are here. And nobody has to talk about it. What do you tell the people come out and process? And you observe so that not even say friends and not to make a little bit of so if you observe it, a lot of things happen in Jamaica and right where the poor after people are feeling that things are happening. Look at the storm come and much people mash up the place.
That is what we should focus on. People like that and we are discuss power struggle. It can't make sense. It cannot make any sense.
Brother, to me, I tell you the truth, God love me. I feel it too. So kind of talk.
See there? Thank you so much.
It's a man. It's a man get 1 youth or 2 youth.
Yeah.
If you don't have guts and know you stand for not Jamaica, your heart will survive. Never tell us straight that it is. Your heart will survive. You understand what I mean? Doesn't mean to yourself is a hard. And me tell you something. The major thing I observe is that things in place proper for Jamaica people. And that me believe in for. Everything is going down here, doing here, and every time you have to take years. Look for the tax, look for the farmer. This whole thing, that people feel like on this. Even look at people that they're farming, if people that are selling like an animal, guess what?
Yes.
You know, observe it. It's a change. The man people put it down and people are learning. People need, you know what? Promoter. People need to tap vote for more. Labor and PNP, both efficient to the country. The people in general. But that was what Labor and PNP. One efficient to the country.
Respect, big brother. Respect. You see, deep divers. There are so many pressing matters. There are so many pressing matters at hand. There are so many pressing matters at hand now. This should not be one of them. People still living outside. This should not be one of them. We have a health sector that is crumbling. So much so that the health minister decides to go back to Cuba, go get little nurse to come back to come alleviate some of the issue. This should not be one of them. And I'm going to say it, I bet you that Damien is going to deny it. Because it may very well not be true. I'm not saying that it is not, but I'm saying it probably isn't. And it's just much to do about nothing. I'm getting a call. Thank you for calling. Good evening. Thank you for calling. Good evening. Talk to me.
Evening.
Yeah, man. Talk to me. Walk on.
There I am.
All right. Yeah, man. Appreciate that.
Yeah, walk on. It is true. It's true the word about thing you are going JLP. No, them I use the little PNP thing now for this chat. This chat.
I agree. I agree with you.
Yeah. Who it's with station I spread the argument.
Thank you. Thank you.
There's so much that distraction. So people must get wise up and stop. Pay attention to that.
Come
Right?
on,
They might
man.
use it as distraction and we must wise up and don't make it be causing a problem in the PNP.
Benz, you have to come over YouTube.
People must understand it. They use it as a distraction. And it's time to learn and don't pay it no mind.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah, man. I agree with that. Thank you so much,
Right.
Big Boss.
So we need to wise up. We need to come out of the argument. And
Yes.
The people then know
Yes.
to them to stop follow it up and stop arguing over it.
All right. Appreciate that.
It's a distraction.
Yes, that is so true. Thank you so much.
Pan. The people in Jamaica pay attention to the wrong thing.
Yes, yes, yes.
And listen what me I say to you.
Mm-hmm.
You know, you're nobody talk about the water system. Drinking
Amen.
water me I talk about.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Now we have more problem with drinking water than anything else. You have places where don't have no pipe water. And them not talk about that.
Yeah, they might make PNP internal issues if there is any.
We need to leave that alone and pay attention to how we're gonna get water in pipes. You understand what I say to you?
Come on.
We need to pay attention to the medical system. You know how much people live in America would like to come home, come spend if it's even 6 months.
Mm-hmm.
And the same service where you hear the lady say we don't have in Jamaica. We need to pay attention to get those services in Jamaica. You see what I say, Ishmael?
I agree.
No, you have people do not have houses in Westmoreland.
I was just speaking about it.
Yeah. These are things where the people in Jamaica have to really push the issue and stop pay garbage, rubbish alone. You understand?
I agree with you.
They need to ask question. What to the bus them where you hear them spend $1.4 billion upon last year? Where them there? The issue I reach them right now with car seat and ticket and all of them things there. That is more issue.
Thank you.
You don't believe so?
Thank you.
So, Ishmael?
No, man, I agree with you wholeheartedly. Political ascendancy cannot be the order of the day now. And we know that.
We need to really pay attention to other things wherein people need to really get more pay for the money, for the work where them do. We have follow a lot of stuff from out the United States, but the main thing we not follow, we need jobs. Them locked down the sugar factory them in St. Thomas from 2013.
Yes.
And them do not create no job for over 400 people who used to depend on the factory.
Yes,
People
yes,
not talk
yes.
about that.
We are very limited as it relates to.
These is things that the people them need for program. As we mentioned to you last night, you now do the job, we need to find a way to get rid of the man them who are in charge because they're not doing the job.
I agree with you. I agree with you. I agree with you.
Full-time Ishmael. We stop pay attention to negative stuff. Who are running up here that now have nothing to do. We need water in a pipe now.
I agree with you.
We need healthcare system to really help. Like copy one hospital from the United States and say, hey, no matter which part of Jamaica we have put it, we have beef up this one hospital. They can have the same similar system like United States.
Yes.
That's what the people need to pay attention to. You get sick in the night, you can pick up the phone and call emergency number, you get an ambulance that dispatch to you. And then instead of spending money for helicopter to go fight Jamaican people, buy 2-year ambulance.
Them now look on them things.
And use the same here GDF people them for dispatch them in time here ambulance can reach a certain area. How my sound, Chief?
No, man, yeah, makes sense, man. Yeah, makes sense.
That's what we need to pay attention to.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Big up yourself,
We
big
don't need
boss.
we don't need no armor car. We need air ambulance.
Yeah, man. You are spot on, big brother. Big up, sir,
KDF
Sir
can
G.
train the people and they fly the helicopter. We don't have no fire department pilot.
Yeah.
Feel with
And them thing that we feel focus on. We are focused on who want lead place and them thing they are distraction. We not depend that.
That's what we would have liked to see. We
All
need
right.
our post office system up and running again like it used to be when telegram man a come 1976 come deliver one telegram to you. You understand what I say to you?
Yeah. All right,
We-
big boss.
Take it
Appreciate
easy,
it.
my boss.
Yeah.
We need to pay attention to the things that we need to improve. We are copy a lot of things from America. We need to copy the right thing.